Here's a 1968 Cadillac Deville convertible. Just came out of storage from a gentleman we purchased a collection from. This is one out of his collection. Was in storage for a while. We've got it out, smooth running car. As you can see, it is San Mateo red metallic paint. That is the original color of this car. Also originally had the white interior to it. There's a white leather interior, so colors are still stock on it. It has had a repaint along the way somewhere. Still has a pretty nice luster to it. As you can see, you will find, and point them out, I mean, you'll find a few blemishes in the paint. I would call it a nice driver quality car. Like I said, runs very smooth. We'll get around to the driver's door here and start her up so you can hear it run. It's powered by the 472. 1968 would have been the first year that 472. The 472 is standard in all Cadillac models that year. It's also nicely equipped, as most Cadillacs are, from what you'd expect. The power seat, power windows, power brakes, power steering, all of that good stuff. Power top. Power top in this car does work. The power top switch was relocated to straight underneath the dash. I can kind of show you the general area where that is when we get around in the driver's door. As you can see, the dash isn't all cracked. Carpet's not all faded. Interior appears to be original. Miles are also believed to be original, approximately 86,000 on this car. Does have a white top, and you can check out the top in the still pictures. So you can check out the underside of the car, engine bay, trunk in the still pictures. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, or feel free to give us a call if you have any questions on this car. Also, 507-386-1726. So the fender skirts on it. This is a long, sleek car. Again, bright working chrome. Nice shape. Would I say like brand new or, you know, just polished? No, but still have a very nice luster to them and shine, and still in nice shape. Again, I'd consider the car a nice driver quality. Let's go ahead and slip in this driver's door, show the interior. Like I said, the door cards appear to be original. Interior very well could be. Nice parade boot. Let's go ahead and start this up for you. There's the miles on it, 86,059 it reads. As you can see, starts very easily. The top switch, so I can kind of show you, is right down under here. It is a power top, so kind of straight underneath where the key is. And actually on this one too, I was in it a little bit ago. Check this out, wipers work. I was also playing around a little bit. Tried out the radio here. The radio does also work. Again, see how nice and shaped the dash is in, not cracked. Here's your power windows. Power seat down there. So again, very nicely equipped. Door closes nicely. Around back here, you see how smooth it runs. Not blowing a bunch of smoke or anything. And again, you can tell it has a nice luster. You can see the ceiling fan spinning in the reflection there. So like I said, check out any of the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And or if you got any questions on this, like to have us take a peek at something on it for you, or be happy to give you our opinion, and you want to talk about transportation, we can be reached at 507-386-1726. 1968 Cadillac Deville convertible.